But just wait, I really need to tell you something. 'Cause I feel alone in a room, surrounded by people I wanna know.
Okay, so it's time to clean this mess up. But before I do so, I have to make me some coffee. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So on today's video, I am going to do a power hour cleaning. So what I am going to do is clean my kitchen and my living room and my restroom. Hopefully I have enough time to finish all of that. I won't be decorating anything else at the moment. I'm just gonna sit here and patiently wait for fall. Can't wait. I already have so many ideas, but I'm gonna wait it and write it out a little bit longer before I do start that. So yeah, so that's basically what I am going to do today. So if you're ready for some cleaning motivation, just keep on watching. And what I am going to be doing is taking off all my linen summer decor. So all my lemon stuff, yellow summery stuff, it's time to go. Okay. So coffee is done. It's like a never-ending story with cleaning. No matter how clean you always try to keep your home, it never fails. Let me know down below what is your least favorite chore to do. I think mine definitely has to be folding clothes. I kind of hate dishes too, but clothes has to be like the worst one for me.
I've been holding on, I wouldn't let you go. 'Cause every time I try, you find a loophole. I've been slamming the door and just leave you cold. When I come back, you've heated up the South Pole. You see my body rush for the escape, while my heart wants to stay.
So me and my husband started doing some farmhouse wooden frames. We are doing some small ones at the moment to style like your tier trays. We do have the sizes 4x4s, 5x5, and 6x6. You can see everything that I do have on my Mercari account. I will link it down below, or on my Instagram. I always link that one on my description box. So if you're interested, just let me know.
Well, my heart wants to stay. I'd run away, hit the road, and almost stand. But I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat.
Okay, so I also want to know, when do you start your fall decor? I usually like to start my fall decor maybe around the mid of August. I do love to take full advantage of every single holiday. So yeah, let me know when you start your decorating.
My shoulders, so what's the use of trying, baby? All the ways they lead to you. You're like a magnet pulling me in. I run away, hit the road in an enormous thing, but I keep turning back just like a boomerang. You're like a backseat ghost telling me to stop. No matter what you do, I keep on coming back.
Okay, so the kitchen is all cleaned up. You should have to put those up, but I mean, they're clean. It's clean. So now we are almost at 30 minutes. And now time to tackle the living room.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I need. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions.
And man, oh man, at this point here, I did not show it, but I literally hit my nail against the wall. And I seriously thought that my nail had popped off, but thankfully it didn't. It hurt so bad.
I know this might sound insane, but baby, you're gonna love me again, love me again. Yeah, I paid my dues to show you I'm not the same. It has cost me much, but I would do it again. So baby, come on, love me again, love me again. I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. Oh, come on, love me again.
So here you can see another of the little signs that we made.
Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions.
So to mop my restrooms, I am using my Shark steam mop. I love this thing, and I especially love to use it in my restrooms since I am using steam to kill most of the germs in there. Now I know that my steam mop's head looks like it's so very dirty, but I promise it is not. It is just stained. I have tried everything. I have washed it with Clorox and it just won't come off. It's just stained like that, so I just have to get some new ones. so I'm finally done, and I still had 6 minutes left. So you'll be surprised what you can do in 1 hour. I accomplished my living room, my restroom, and my kitchen. So now I have to take off all this lemon decor. So let's get to it. Okay, so I lied just a little. I did not take off my yellow flowers, and reason why was that if I literally took off all my yellow flowers other than just the lemons, my house will be bare, and I can't do that. I just can't. So as far as my neutral and yellow flowers, I left those up, but for sure all the lemons came down. Okay, so lemon decor is out of the way now too. I finished cleaning everything, and if I was red then, I am redder now. So now I am going to leave everything like this. Like I mentioned in the beginning, everything's just gonna stay as simple as how it is right now until I get some, or until I bring out my fall decor and get all that started up. I'm actually pretty excited to start my fall decor. So make sure that you are subscribed and you do hit the like button. That way you get notified every time that I do upload a new video. So first, of course, I will be doing my fall decor, and then bring you guys into my Halloween decor and so on. So you don't want to miss those videos. I'm so excited to film those videos for you guys. That way you can now get an insight of how I go about decorating my house. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.